So welcome to this class. So today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2. That is the second exercise of your pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. So we are strictly going through all the questions of your NCERT textbook. That is exercise 3.2. So in first question, question is form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. So like in previous chapter, you have to just first form the linear equation, and from these two linear equations you have to solve the equations graphically by using graph. So number 1, so 10 students of a class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So directly let number of boys be suppose x and number of girls be suppose y. So according to question, there are two conditions are given. 10 students, total student 10, so x plus y is equal to 10. First condition. And second condition, number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So girl y is equal to x plus 4. So these are the two equations, but in the second part you have to solve this equation. That means you have to find their solutions. That means you have to find x and y graphically. That is from graph. For graph, you have to write the equation like this: y is equal to some function of x. So y is equal to 10 minus x, and it is y is equal to x plus 4. Now make a table. Now make a table for this graph. It is x, it is y for this equation. If it is x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 10 minus 5, 5. If x is equal to suppose minus 1, then y is equal to 11. If x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 10 minus 10, 0. It is the table for x plus y is equal to 10. And the table for y is equal to x plus 4. It is x, it is y. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 plus 4, 4. If x is equal to minus 4, then y is equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. So for graphical representation or graphical solution, we have to make these two tables from the graphs, from the linear equations. Now draw y-axis and x-axis. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. Now plot these points: 0, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 0, 10. Next 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5, 5. Next minus 1, 11. So it is minus 1 and 11 is here. So minus 1, 11. Lastly 10, 0. It is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 0. Now join these points. So it is the graph for this x plus y is equal to 10. Next, plot these points for this equation. First 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 0, 4. Next minus 4, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4, 0. Next 2, 6. 2, it is 4, 5, 6. It is 2, 6. Now join these points by a straight line. So this graph is representation of this y is equal to x plus 4. So this is y is equal to x plus 4 and this is x plus y is equal to 10. And both the graphs intersects on this point. So after observing from graph, you will find that this point will be 3, 7. It will be 3, 7. On 3, 7, that is on the point 3 and 7, both the graphs will intersect. So on the 3 and 3, 7, both the graphs will intersect. That is 3, 7 is the common point of intersection of both the graphs. So from this, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 7. So it is the solution. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7 is the solution of this first equation. That is, number of boys is 3 and number of girl is 7. So like this we can do the other rest of the questions. So let us go quickly. Number 2, 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees this, where 7 pens and 5 pens. Find the cost of one pencil. One pencil, suppose x, and one pen, suppose y. So according to question, 5 pencil and 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. And second equation, 7 pencil plus 5 pen is 46. So for this, draw a table x comma xy. If x is equal to 0, or y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0, then 7 into 0 0, so x will be 10 0. If x is equal to 10, so more point, if suppose it is 3, then 15, it is 35, it will be 5. So we plot just 2 points. If it is 3, 15, so 50 minus 15, 35, 7 divided by 35, 5. And for second equation, x comma y, if it is suppose 8, then 46, instead of 8, suppose it is 3, x is 3, then 21, to 46 minus 21, 25, so 5 by it is 5, 3, 5. One, suppose 1 more point 8, 7, 8, 56, so it is 56 minus 10, so minus 2. So okay, so now draw these two graphs, 10 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 0, 3 5 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 1 2 3 3 5 3 5. Plot this, and this one 3 5 3 5 and 8 minus 2 8 minus 2. So from the graph it is clear that on 3 5 both the equation intersect. So 3 5 is the solution, that is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5 is the final solution. That is, for pencil it is 3 and for pen it is 5. So let us go to question number 2. Question number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So condition, by using condition 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. It is equation number 2, 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is A1, it is B1, it is C1, it is A2, it is B2, it is C2. Now check A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7. B1 by B2 is minus 4 by 6. That is minus 2 by 3, and lastly C1 by C2 8 by minus 9. So here it is, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. So A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. So here lines will be intersecting lines. That means both the lines will intersect at a point. Due to this condition, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2, and that common point will be the solution. So A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2 is the condition for intersecting lines. Number 2, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. It is A1, it is B1, it is C1, it is A2, it is B2, it is C2. Now check A1 by A2 is equal to 9 by 18, B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is, it is half, and C1 by C2 12 by 24, that is half. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So when A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then it is whether it is intersecting or parallel or coincident. So that means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then these are coincident. that means like same line. If it was a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, then it is intersecting lines, that means that they have a solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then it is coincident lines, that means like same line. And if third condition, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2, then it is parallel lines. Number 3. Six x minus thrice y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x plus y plus minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. It is a1, it is b1, it is c1, it is a2, it is b2, it is c2. Now find a1 by a2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Next b1 by b2. b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 1, that is plus 3. Last c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. So it is seen that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2, does not equal to c1 by c2, does not equal to c1 by c2. So this condition is satisfied. So equations have parallel lines. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, these are equal but is not equal to c1 by c2, then these are parallel lines. So lines are parallel. Parallel. So lines are parallel. Now question number 3. Question number 3, on comparing a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Just take only one or two. Thrice x plus 2y is equal to 5, number 1, and number 2, twice x minus thrice y is equal to 7. So first check a1 by a2, it is 3 by 2. Next b1 by b2, it is 2 by minus 3, and c1 by c2 minus 5 by minus 7, it is 5 by 7. So since a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, so it is consistent. Equations are consistent. Equations are consistent. So equations are consistent. That means they has a solution. Number 2, 2x minus thrice y is equal to 8, number 1, and number 2, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So quickly check a1 by a2. 2 by 4 is equal to half. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6 is equal to half, and c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by 9. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. So when these conditions are satisfied, consistent or inconsistent. So it is the condition of inconsistent. Inconsistent. So if it is a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, then it is consistent. Otherwise, in other cases, it is inconsistent. That means they has no solution. Last number, number 3. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Now find a1 by a2. It is 3 by 2 by 9. 3 by 2 1 by 9, that is 1 by 6, and b1 by b2 5 by 3 by 10 is equal to 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10, so it is minus 2, so it is 1 by minus 6. So no need to go to c1 by c2. It is a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, therefore it is consistent, that is they has solution. So they has solution. So let us go to question number 4. Question number 4 is similar, consistent or inconsistent. Question number 4 similar, consistent or inconsistent, and if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. By using graph you have to solve the equation. So question number 4 you can do. In question number 5, it is different. Question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36. Find the dimension of the garden. So let L and B. Length is 4 meter more than width. So width, that means breadth is suppose x. Then the length will be 4 meter more. So x plus 4. Half the perimeter. So it is two variables, better write like this. Let b is equal to x, b is equal to y, and x is equal, L is equal to x. So half length is 4 meter more than its width. That is x is equal to y plus 4. Equation number 1. In equation number 2, half the perimeter, that means x plus y. 36. X plus y is equal to 36. These are the two equations. These are the two linear equations. So find the dimension of the garden. So you have to find the dimension of the garden by any method. So here we are discussing only graphical method. So So by using graphical method you can solve the equation. So here y is equal to x minus 4 and here y is equal to 36 minus x. So here a table, make a table x, y. If it is 4 it is 0, if it is 0 it is minus 4, like this, and make a table like this. After solving this you will get after solving graphically, after drawing both the graphs, you will see x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16. On these points 20 and 16, these two graphs will intersect. That means x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16 will be the solution of this equation. That means length is equal to 20 and width is equal to 16. It's very simple, like previous questions, previous solutions. Plot the points and make a corresponding table, and for this equation make a corresponding table. Plot these points on graph paper, then you will get two graphs separately for each one, and the two graphs will intersect at a point, and from the graph you will see that they will intersect at 20 and 16. That is, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16 is the common point of intersection. That is, x is equal to 20 is the length and y is equal to 16 is the width or breadth. So next question 6. Question 6, given the linear equation, this linear equation is given 2x plus thrice y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so form is intersecting lines. Intersecting line means a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, condition satisfied. So it is suppose 5x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. Here 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 8. It's not equal. 2 by 5 and 3 by 8 not equal. So 5x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0 is a such example, intersecting lines. Number 2, parallel lines. So if it is parallel lines, then this will be like this: 4x plus 6y minus 10 is equal to 0. Here condition will be like this: a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but does not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. Condition is like this. And number 3, coincident lines. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So it is 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. For coincident line, condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So such that it is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. We are multiplying both sides by 2. 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So these are the three examples. Last question, question number 7. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertex of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis and the set of the triangular region. So from this table, y is equal to x plus 1, and from here y is equal to 12 minus thrice x by 2, and from here make a table. From here make a table. From this to table, make the graph. So here it will be 2 3 minus 1 0 and 4 0. It will intersect like this. So determine the coordinates of the vertices. Vertices will be 2 3, and the x-axis and the set of the triangular region. These lines and x-axis. On x-axis it is 4 0 and this. So this is the chapter 3.2. So okay, hope you have understand this. Just pause the video and try to understand what the topics I am just taught here, and keep commenting. If any suggestion or any further topics are needed, you comment on the comment section of your video. Thank you.